Throughout this training course, you're going to use a number of interfaces to interact with PBCS. The PBCS Cloud interface that you can see here provides your users with a simple and clear way to use task lists and data forms to enable them to enter their planning and budget data. We'll be looking in detail at how to create these task lists and data forms, and we'll discuss design considerations to enable you to get the best performance from them. We'll see how to bring together graphical components and data forms so as to create dashboard representations of the data for your users, like the one that you can see here. We'll investigate SmartView, a Microsoft Office add-in giving the ability to perform many of the tasks associated with PBCS, but within the familiar environment of Microsoft Excel. Your users will be able to use the same task lists and data forms found in the PBCS application to submit their data. SmartView now offers many of the same functions as found in the PBCS web interface, such as the submission of data, the running of business rules to calculate data, and the use of approval hierarchies to track data through review stages. In addition, SmartView offers powerful ad hoc analysis capabilities, and we'll see how to build such reports, as well as how to use data forms as a template for your ad hoc queries. For you as an administrator, SmartView also offers some administrative functions, such as the management of dimensions and the refreshment of databases. Much of your work as an administrator, however, will be done from the Navigator menu, seen here within the web interface, where you have the ability to manage all of the elements of your PBCS application, including task lists, data forms, menus, smart lists, and, of course, the dimensions used to define your data. Of course, consideration will be given to the optimization of these elements to gain maximum performance. Finally, we'll see the Explore repository, where financial reports and other documents can be stored. This can be a useful repository for a variety of documents such as user guides, SmartView report templates, and sign-off documents. So that's just a brief look at the various interfaces you'll be using as part of this course.